Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see the practical example on differentiation for year 10 and year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Question 1. This is the shape they have given to you. A piece of wire of length 2 meter is bent to form the shape PQRST. So you have a wire of length 2 meter and you are bending it and giving this shape PQST. PQST. This is a rectangle and QRS. QRS. This is a semicircle with the diameter SQ. This is the diameter for the semicircle. PT is equal to X meter. This length is X meters. PQ is equal to ST. PQ is equal to ST, which is Y meters. That means the width of the rectangle is Y meters. The total area enclosed by the shape A is given by A meter square. Express Y in terms of X. First, I need to express Y in terms of X. As they have given us the perimeter is 2 meters. This shape has been divided into the rectangle and the semicircle. But the perimeter is starting from T. You go down, which is X, then Y, then semicircle, and then again the width is Y. Let's write down the perimeter of this shape and put it equal to 2 meters. What will be the radius of the semicircle? Because this is parallel to this one, which is a rectangle, so this is X. So the radius will be X by 2. I need to write down the perimeter of the semicircle. Perimeter of the semicircle is pi r. Let's write down here. Perimeter will be written as X plus Y plus half of 2 pi r. R will be X by 2 plus Y. Perimeter is given as 2, which is equals to X plus Y. 2 got cancelled from here, plus pi X by 2 plus Y. I need to write down Y in terms of X. Let's combine Y first. This will be written as 2Y plus X pi by 2. 2y is equal to 2 minus x minus of x pi by 2. I moved this x and pi by 2 on left hand side. This will be equal to y is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus of x pi by 2. If I multiply that inside, that will be 1 minus of x by 2 minus x pi by 4. This is the relation of y in terms of x. Next question is, show that area A is given by this equation completely in terms of X. I need to write down the area. Area will be written as length times breadth. My length is X and my width is Y, plus area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is half pi r square, which will be equal to half pi r square is X by 2 the whole square. This is the value for my area of the semicircle. Let's simplify that. This will be written as xy plus pi x square by 2 times of 4, which will be equal to xy plus pi x square by 8. I need to replace y in terms of x, which is the relation this one. I'll replace this y here. Let's substitute the value here. X bracket 1 minus of x by 2 minus of x pi by 4 plus of pi x square by 8. If I multiply that inside, that will be written as x minus of x square by 2 minus of x square pi by 4 plus x square pi by 8. I need to combine x square pi by 4 and x square pi by 8. Let's combine it here. This will be written as x minus x square by 2. If I take the LCM here as 8, this will be written as negative 2x square pi plus x square pi, which will be equal to x minus of x square by 2 plus minus 2 plus 1 is minus of x square pi by 8, which will be given as x minus x square by 2 minus of x square pi by 8. This is the proving part of A. The next part of the question is, find the value for x for which there is a stationary value of x. I need to get the value for x so that dA by dx is equal to 0. I need to differentiate my function here. Let's differentiate the function. dA by dx is written as d by dx of, what is my value for a? My value for a is x minus of x square by 2 minus x square pi by 8. Let's differentiate this one. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus 1 by 2. Differentiation of x square will be 2x minus 1 by 8 pi. Differentiation of x square is 2x, which will be equal to 1 minus 2 got cancelled from here, minus x. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, minus of x pi by 4. I need to put it dA by dx is equal to 0. Let's substitute dA by dx is equal to 0. 1 minus x minus of pi x by 4 is equal to 0. I need to get the value for x. Let's combine x here. 1 minus x, 1 plus pi by 4 is equal to 0. I will move x on right hand side. This will be written as x bracket 1 plus pi by 4 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 1 plus pi by 4. Let's take the LCM here in the denominator. This will be written as 1 over, if I take the denominator as 4 as the LCM, this will be 4 plus pi, which will be written as x is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus pi. That is the value for x where the stationary value of a lies. I need to show that that is the maximum. I need to double differentiate dA by dx. Let's double differentiate that. dA by dx is written as 1 minus x minus of pi x by 4. I need to double differentiate that one. d2a by dx square is written as differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1 minus of pi by 4 and the differentiation of x is again 1, which will be equal to minus 1 minus of pi by 4. This is independent of x and that value is less than 0. If this is less than 0, that means we are getting the maximum value. Let's calculate the stationary value for a also. The meaning is that I need to substitute this value for x in a. My value for a is given as x minus of 1 by 2 x square minus of 1 by 8 pi x square. Here I need to substitute x is equal to 4 over 4 plus pi. X will be 4 over 4 plus pi minus of half 4 over 4 plus pi the whole square minus 1 over 8 pi. X is 4 over 4 plus pi the whole square, which will be equal to 4 over 4 plus pi minus of 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Let's write down 8 here. 4 plus pi the whole square minus of 4 square is again 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2, which will be equal to 2 pi over 4 plus pi the whole square. Let's take 4 plus pi the whole square as the LCM here. So 4 here will be multiplied by 4 plus pi minus of 8 minus of 2 pi. Let's open the bracket here. 4 4s are 16 plus 4 pi minus 8 minus of 2 pi divided by 4 plus pi the whole square, which will be equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 pi minus of 2 pi is plus 2 pi over of 4 plus pi the whole square. If I take out 2 as a common factor here, this will be 4 plus pi over of 4 plus pi the whole square. 1 4 plus pi the whole square got cancelled from here and this will be equal to 2 over 4 plus pi. The stationary value for a is given as 2 over 4 plus pi meter square and it is the maximum value. That's how you can solve your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.